Book of Jeremiah talks about the spotted bird of prey being Israel, and it's being attacked by its surrounding nations, which are compared to other birds of prey like eagles. So imagine a small falcon, a spotted falcon, or a small spotted hawk being chased by many terrible eagles. What's amazing about it all is it's an aerial fight. They're not fighting on the ground. They're, eagles and falcons and hawks, they fly. Yeah, they do land on the ground and start tearing up their prey, but usually they attack from above and down onto another bird and then down to the ground to eat it. But in this case, it's many eagles or birds of prey attacking this lonely little bird of prey, like a falcon being preyed upon by eagles. Now, falcon's fast and mean, but if it's surrounded by eagles, its chances of making it are very slim. Food for thought. Check out the short video that I made of a spotted hawk being chased by 3 eagles. Yeshua, I bless you, and have a great day.